My name is Ryan Bottoms. I'm an engineering technician for NavAir. I volunteer every Tuesday to come out here and teach these students about the quadcopter program that Mr. Ramos had set up. One of the cool things that I enjoy about the program, one of the parts that I enjoy the most about the program, is introducing students to aviation and teaching students all the principles that go into maintaining, building, and flying, and oftentimes repairing these quadcopters. Exposes them to different challenges that they're going to face in real life.